Emma and Leo are playing. They are at home. Leo has a toy car. Emma has a doll. Leo says, "I want a new toy." He loves toys. He wants a special new toy. Mom comes in. She sees Emma and Leo. Mom has a bag. "Let's go out," she says. Mom says, "Let's go to the toy shop." Leo is very happy. "Yay!" he shouts. They are outside now. They walk on the street. Where is the toy shop? Let's find it. Look, this is the bakery. What do they sell? Delicious bread and cakes. Yum, yum. They walk past the bakery. "No cakes today," says Mom. They keep walking. Now they see the library. It is a big blue building. People read books here. Shh. They walk past the library. "Many books inside," says Emma. They continue their walk. This is the park. Children play here. Leo wants to play. "Later, Leo," says Mom. They walk past the park. "We need to find the toy shop first," says Mom. Look, this is the supermarket. People buy food here. Fruit, vegetables, and milk. Mom says, where is the toy shop?" She looks at a map. "Let's ask." Mom says, "Turn left. Left. This way." She shows with her hand. "Turn left." "Turn left at the supermarket," says Mom. They all turn left. This way. They walk left. They walk down the street. They are looking for the toy shop. Mom says, "Turn right. Right. This way." She shows with her other hand. "Turn right." "Turn right after the red house," says Mom. They all look right. They walk right. They are closer now. Leo is excited. He skips. Mom says, "Go straight. Straight. Don't turn. Just walk forward." "Go straight," says Mom. The toy shop is close now. They walk straight. Emma and Leo look for the toy shop. They look at all the buildings. "Is it here?" "Look," shouts Leo. "There it is." Emma sees it too. The toy shop. They walk quickly to the shop. Leo is so excited. He wants his new toy now. Here is the toy shop. It is big and colorful. Many toys inside. Emma and Leo look in the window. "Wow," says Emma. "So many toys." They go inside the toy shop. Ding ding! The door opens. Time to find a toy. They are inside. "Look, Emma," says Leo. He sees a blue car. Leo chooses a new toy. It is a red truck. "This one," he says. He is very happy. Mom pays for the toy. "Thank you," says Mom. The toy is ready. They leave the toy shop. Leo holds his new red truck. He is very happy. Now they walk home. They pass the library. They pass the bakery. Mom asks, "What is this?" Emma says, "It's the bakery." "Yes, good job, Emma." Mom asks, "And this?" Leo says, "The library." "Good, Leo." And where did they go? To the toy shop. Leo found his new toy there. Remember, go straight. Don't turn. Walk forward. Remember, turn left. This way. Look left. Remember, turn right. This way. Look right. They are home again. Leo is happy with his new truck. Finding the toy shop was fun. Goodbye, friends. See you next time. It was a fun trip. Good morning. It is a new day. Emma wakes up. She is happy. What will she do today? Emma stands up. She walks to the window. She wants to see outside. She wants to check the weather. She opens the curtains. Whoosh! Now she can see. What is it like outside? Let's look. Emma looks out the window. She asks a question. What is the weather like today? Mom comes in. Good morning, Emma, says Mom. Are you checking the weather? Emma nods yes. Look outside. The sky is blue. I see the big yellow sun. It is very bright. Mom says, it is sunny today. Sunny. The sun is shining. It is a sunny day. When it is sunny, it is hot. Emma feels hot. Phew! It is warm in the sun. It is sunny. Emma needs cool clothes. She chooses a t-shirt, a yellow t-shirt. She also needs shorts, blue shorts. T-shirts and shorts are good for sunny days. Emma is ready. She wears her t-shirt and shorts. She wears cool sunglasses. She is ready for the sun. Emma is outside. It is hot and sunny. She eats a cold popsicle. Yum! Oh no! The weather changes. The sky is gray now. Where is the sun? Look at the window. I see water. It is raining. The sky is gray and sad. Mom says, it is rainy today. Rainy. Rain falls from the clouds. Drip, drip, drip. When it rains, everything gets wet. The trees are wet. The grass is wet. It is rainy. Emma needs dry clothes. She chooses a raincoat, a yellow raincoat. She needs boots for her feet, red rain boots. They keep her dry. Don't forget your umbrella, says Mom. Emma holds the umbrella. It goes up. Emma is outside. It is rainy. She jumps in the puddle. Splash. Rain can be fun. It is a new morning. Emma looks outside. Wow, she says. What does she see? Everything is white. It is snowing. White snow is falling down. It is very beautiful. Mom says, it is snowy today, and it is very cold. Brr. Emma feels cold. Mom asks, it is cold. What do you need to wear? Emma thinks, I need a big jacket, says Emma, and a warm hat for my head. Good job, Emma. She puts on gloves for her hands. She puts on a scarf for her neck. Now she is warm. Emma is ready for the snow. She is very warm now. She is not cold. Emma plays in the snow. It is cold, but she is happy. She makes a big snowman. Emma is outside again. Whoosh! Her hair blows in her face. What is happening? It is windy. The wind is blowing strong. Whoosh! The trees move in the wind. Look up. It is cloudy. I see many clouds. No sun right now, just clouds and wind. Windy days are fun for kites. Emma flies her kite high in the sky. Go, kite, go! The wind is chilly. Emma is a little cold in just her t-shirt. Brr! Mom brings a jacket. Put this on, Emma, she says. A jacket is good for windy days. Emma is back inside. She looks at her weather pictures. Let's remember the weather. This is sunny. When it is sunny, it is hot. We wear t-shirts. This is rainy. When it is rainy, it is wet. We need an umbrella. This is snowy. When it is snowy, it is cold. We wear hats and gloves. Now you look outside. What is the weather like where you are today? Have a good day, everyone. See you next time. Goodbye.